One of the basic properties of metals is electric conductivity. Electric conductivity is a physical quantity, opposite to resistance, characterizing the capacity of a given material to conduct electricity. The higher is the resistance, the lower is the conductivity, and vice versa. So conductivity is the ability to conduct electric current. Metals with a high conducting capability are used in wires of current conducting cores, cables, windings of electric machines, and transformers. Metals and alloys of high conductivity are used in making resistors, electric heating devices, and incandescent threads. Current passes through metal by means of free electrons moving under the influence of an electric field. This is what we should have in mind when choosing cables for mounting and repairing electric wiring, mounting wire for wiring constructions, various transformers, and doing mounting jobs when repairing household appliances. It is crucial to select the diameter of the working core, the material the conductor will be made of, and its specific resistance. All these properties taken together actually characterize the capability to conduct current. The thicker is the wire, the lower is the resistance, in proportion with the length of the conductor or the wiring cable, and this certainly defines the current load of household communication appliances on the final stage of laying the electric circuit. As far as resistance and conducting properties are concerned, silver takes leading position. However, this material will hardly ever be used, even though silver clamps and switches have long been used. Then comes lead. This is probably the best option for the dispensable cable. But be careful. Any salesperson will claim that a yellowish-red wire is 100% lead. You have to be confident in what you purchase. Lead is the best metal for a conducting cable. It is capable of conducting current for large distances in any weather conditions without major losses and preserving its chemical properties. Lead wires are most resistant to physical exposure, that is, twisting and bending. That is why lead wires are used in high-voltage power lines. And as far as domestic purposes are concerned, lead is also quite popular. Aluminium is not quite so perfect. It concedes to both silver and lead. Aluminium is silvery, colored metal. It costs a lot less than lead. High oxidability in the open air is one of the disadvantages. An oxide layer of high resistance conducting almost no current is formed on the surface. Besides, aluminium is fragile and breaks if you bend it several times. An aluminium wire is less resistant to length electric loads compared to the lead wire, which is compensated by a larger section of the current conducting core. Both metals are good for producing domestic and industrial cables.